How to create stone art, from inspiration to masterpiece. Creating stone art is a rewarding and fulfilling process that allows you to express your creativity. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you turn your inspiration into a stunning masterpiece. 1. Find inspiration. Nature. Explore your surroundings. Look for interesting shapes, colors, and textures in stones. Culture. Research different cultures and their stone art traditions for ideas. Themes. Consider themes that resonate with you, such as nature, mythology, or abstract designs. 2. Gather materials. Stones. Choose a variety of stones, smooth river stones, rough granite, or any type that appeals to you. Tools. Depending on your project, you may need chisels and hammers, sandpaper or grinders, paints or sealants, adhesives for assembling pieces. 3. Sketch your design. Plan. Create sketches or outlines of your design on paper. This helps visualize the final piece. Scale. Consider the size of your stones and how they will fit together in your artwork. 4. Prepare the stones. Cleaning. Wash the stones to remove dirt and debris. Let them dry completely. Shaping. Use chisels or grinders to shape the stones according to your design. Start with larger pieces and work down to finer details. 5. Create the artwork. Assembly. Begin arranging the stones based on your design. Experiment with different layouts until you find the perfect composition. Adhesion. If your piece requires gluing stones together, apply adhesive as needed, following the product instructions for the best result. 6. Add details. Texturing. Use tools to add texture or patterns to the stones. This can enhance visual interest. Painting. If desired, paint stones with designs, colors, or patterns that complement your theme. Use outdoor paint if the artwork will be displayed outside. 7. Finishing touches. Sealing. Once everything is dry, apply a sealant to protect your artwork from the elements and enhance its durability. Polishing. For a smoother finish, use sandpaper or polishing tools on certain stones. 8. Display your masterpiece. Location. Choose a suitable location for your art, inside your home, in a garden, or in a public space. Presentation. Consider how you want to present your work, whether as a standalone piece or part of a larger installation. 9. Share your art. Photography. Take photos of your completed artwork to share on social media or with friends. Exhibitions. Consider showcasing your stone art in local galleries or art shows. Creating stone art is a beautiful way to express creativity while connecting with nature. With patience and practice, you can transform simple stones into breathtaking masterpieces. So gather your materials, find inspiration, and let your artistic journey begin. 10. Explore different techniques. Carving. Learn various carving techniques, such as relief carving or inlay. These can add depth and intricacy to your pieces. Mosaic. Combine small stones or fragments to create a mosaic design. This technique allows for vibrant patterns and textures. Sculpting. Consider sculpting larger pieces that explore three-dimensional forms. This can include abstract shapes or figurative work. 11. Experiment with mixed media. Incorporate other materials. Combine stones with other materials like wood, metal, or glass to enhance your artwork. This can create contrast and add unique elements. Natural elements. Use moss, plants, or driftwood alongside stones to create a cohesive natural theme. 12. Document your process. Photography. Take photos at each stage of your creation. This not only serves as a record of your work, but can also be useful for social media or blogs. Journaling. Keep a journal of your thoughts, inspirations, and technique. This can help you reflect on your artistic growth over time. 13. Join a community. Workshops. Participate in local stone art workshops or classes. This is a great way to learn new skills and meet other artists. Online communities. Engage with online forums or social media groups dedicated to stone art. Share your progress and seek feedback. 14. Stay inspired. Visit art exhibits. Explore local galleries or art installations featuring stone or nature-inspired art. This can provide fresh ideas and motivation. Nature walks. Regularly spend time in nature. Observe the shapes, colors, and textures of stones in different environments. 15. Reflect on your work. Self-critique. After completing a piece, take time to reflect on what worked well and what could be improved. This can guide your future projects. Seek feedback. Share your art with friends or fellow artists for constructive criticism. Different perspectives can offer valuable insight. 16. Set goals for future projects. Skill development. Identify specific techniques or styles you want to explore in future work. Thematic series. Consider creating a series of pieces around a specific theme or concept, deepening your exploration of that idea. Conclusion. Creating stone art is an enriching journey that combines creativity, nature, and craftsmanship. By following these steps and continuously exploring new techniques, you can evolve your skills and create stunning masterpieces that resonate with your artistic vision. Remember to enjoy the process and let your passion shine through each piece you create. Further expanded. 17. Utilize color and texture. Natural pigments. Explore the use of natural pigments to enhance the colors of your stones. This can add vibrancy and personality to your artwork. Textural contrast. Combine rough and smooth stones to create a dynamic visual effect. Varying textures can draw the viewer's eye and add depth. 18. Incorporate symbolism. Personal meaning. Think about symbols or motifs that resonate with you. Incorporating personal or cultural symbols can make your artwork more meaningful. Storytelling. Use your stones to tell a story. Arrange them in a way that conveys a narrative or emotional journey. 19. Create functional art. Garden features. Design stone art that serves a purpose, such as benches, tables, or pathways. This blends functionality with artistic expression. Home decor. Create decorative items like coasters, candle holders, or wall art that can be used in everyday life. 20. Experiment with scale. Small versus large pieces. Try creating both small, intricate pieces and large sculptures. Each scale presents unique challenges and opportunities for creativity. Grouping. Create a series of smaller pieces that can be displayed together to form a larger composition. 21. Engage the senses. Tactile experience. Focus on the tactile qualities of your stones. Use smooth, polished surfaces alongside rough textures to engage the sense of touch. Sound. Consider how your stone art might interact with sound, such as wind chimes made from stones or pebbles. 22. Plan for longevity. Durability. Choose stones and materials that can withstand the elements if your art will be displayed outdoors. Maintenance. Think about how you will maintain your artwork over time. This might include periodic cleaning or resealing. 23. Collaborate with others. Team projects. Collaborate with other artists or community members to create larger installations or public artworks. This can foster connection and shared creativity. Workshops. Host workshops where you can teach others about stone art, sharing your skills and inspiring new artists. 24. Explore digital tools. Design software. Use digital design tools to sketch and visualize your ideas before starting. This can help streamline your creative process. Virtual reality. Explore VR applications that allow you to create and manipulate digital stone art, providing a new perspective on your designs. 25. Promote your artwork. Social media. Share your creative journey and finished pieces on social media platforms. Use hashtags to reach a broader audience. Art shows and markets. Participate in local art fairs or markets to showcase and sell your stone art. This is also a great way to connect with art enthusiasts. The journey of creating stone art is not just about the final piece. It's about the exploration, experimentation, and growth as an artist. By embracing new techniques, engaging with the community, and continuously challenging yourself, you can elevate your stone art to new heights. Enjoy the process, let your creativity flow, and transform your inspirations into stunning masterpieces. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through the world of stone art. We hope you feel inspired to gather your materials and start crafting your own masterpieces. Remember, the beauty of art lies in the process, so don't be afraid to experiment and express yourself. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your stone art projects and any tips you might have. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more creative tutorials and inspiring stories. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, keep exploring, creating, and turning your inspirations into beautiful works of art. Happy crafting!